Are you tired of endlessly scrolling, looking for a real way to make money from home? What if I told you that you could be earning 20, 30, or even $35 an hour just by using your phone and a Wi-Fi connection? It sounds too good to be true, right? But stick with me for a minute, because the world is changing fast, and AI is creating brand new opportunities that most people don't even know exist yet. Imagine this. Instead of commuting to a job you don't love, you could be completing simple AI-related tasks from your couch, your favorite coffee shop, or anywhere with an internet connection. These aren't complicated tech jobs that require a degree in computer science. We're talking about tasks that companies are desperate to pay people like you to do. This is where paid AI jobs comes in. It's a complete system designed to get you started, even if you have zero experience. Inside the members area, you'll find easy-to-follow video courses that break everything down step by step. You'll discover what these jobs are, where to find them, and exactly how to apply and start earning. We show you how to find gigs that pay $20 to $35 per hour. We even have specific strategies to help you succeed, whether you're finding these opportunities through TikTok or other platforms. This works for anyone, no matter your background or audience. It's designed for complete beginners to start making mobile money with just Wi-Fi. Think about what an extra few $100s a week could do for you. It could help pay off debt, save for a vacation, or just give you that financial breathing room you've been searching for. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about tapping into a real, legitimate, and growing industry to build a reliable income stream from home. The demand for these AI-related tasks is exploding, and now is the perfect time to get in. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Stop wondering and start doing. Click the link in the first comment to get instant access to the paid AI jobs member area and video courses. You can start learning and applying for these high-paying gigs today. Your journey to earning a substantial income from your phone starts right now. Go on, click the link and see for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the inside.